Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another little DIY makeshift, but not really makeshift because it's fire. We are going to be repurposing stuff that we have in our house currently to pretty much revamp it, to uplift it, give it a whole new look. I'm really into that. Honestly, you want to be a little bit sustainable, so kind of look at what you have in your house and look and see what you can revamp and give new life. So that is what we're doing today. We're gonna be giving something new life, and this something that we're gonna be giving new life is a lamp. I'm gonna show you guys right now what this lamp looks like. Here it is. I don't know if you guys can see it too well, but this is the lamp that we are gonna be repurposing. So this lamp on its own, honestly, is not really bad. Like, depending on the aesthetic in your house, this can definitely work. It is pretty retro. Like, you know, you got the color, this orange, brown, tan kind of color going on. So it can work in some spaces, but in our space right now, it doesn't work. This baby needs to be uplifted. It needs to be revamped. So what we are thinking to do, or what I'm thinking to do, is add some raffia on the lampshade and paint the base white and kind of sponge on like a beigey tan brown concrete kind of color. Like, that was a whole bunch of colors in one, but I hope you guys get the idea when we get there. Just to give it a little bit of texture, I might even think of adding sand or like sand medium to the paint to give it even more texture. And I'm gonna also insert some clips of the inspiration that I had for this. So let's get into it. All right, so I'm going to be taking the lampshade off of this thing. And I honestly don't, it looks like it's fairly easy. Let's just unscrew. Yeah? No? Okay. Okay, it has to be from here. All right, we're gonna unscrew this and take the lampshade off the base. Huh. Interesting. Okay, we didn't think about this. Ooh, okay. So while the base of the lamp is drying, we're gonna work on the lamp shade, and all you're gonna need is some raffia, glue gun, glue sticks, or hot glue gun, glue sticks, and some scissors to cut the raffia. And honestly, you should be solid with just those. You won't need any other tools. If you need more, I have to question you. But no, you should be solid with those, and let's get into it.
Hey babe,